Quick little unboxing of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. This video is kind of late. My pre-order was delayed for some reason, so yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. But anyway, here's the phone. I got it in my hand. Hashtag teampixel. Let me know what's up. Pixel 7 Pro. Here's the picture of the device. This is the white model in 128 gigs. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and just, undo these tabs. No knife is necessary with this. So I do like that. Makes the unboxing, simpler. So let's go ahead and just slide the cover off. We'll do it like this. And, so I did get the Snow White. Is that what it's called? Is that the official name? I forget already. But yeah, have a look at that. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it feels kind of good. Nice. All right, we'll put the phone to the side for now. And what do we get in the packaging? Here you have your little adapter here for transferring stuff. We'll have a quick look. You've seen this before. Put that back inside, and then here is your charging cable. Is this USB-C to C? As you can see. We'll put that back again, and then here is your documentation, etc. We don't know what this says. I'm not gonna even, undo that. And yeah, that's it. No charger in the box. Put that to the side. And this is the device itself. Google logo on the back. And then here you have this protective cover. Then this is where the SIM tray is. Fingerprint scanner underneath the display. And here's the power, volume up and down, USB-C. Let's take this off. Very nice. Front-facing camera right there. You can see the hole punch cutout. Ooh, this feels really nice. Back is, the back is nice and smooth. You can see the contrast here with the aluminum housing for the cameras, etc. This looks nice, giving me the RoboCop feels. All right, let's go ahead and just turn this on. We do have a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display. Goes up to 120 Hz, HDR10+. Gets up to, I think it's 1500 nits or something like that. Let me know in the comments. 1440 by 3120 on the resolution. It does have Gorilla Glass Victus. This does have the Android 13. Of course, it is a Pixel with a Google Tensor G2 chip. Cameras here is a 50 megapixel main sensor. Your secondary camera is a 48 megapixel. And your ultra wide is a 12 megapixel. Can shoot in HDR. On the video, you can do 4K 30 and 60 frames, can film in 10-bit HDR, and it does have optical image stabilization. Very nice. Now the front-facing camera here is a 10.8 megapixel shooter, f2.2 at 21 millimeters, can also film in HDR, can do video at 4K 30 and 60, 1080p in 30 and 60 as well. Anyway, welcome to your Pixel. Let's go ahead and get started. Skip all this. There's my Wi-Fi. Gonna enter my password. We'll go ahead and connect. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, like these animations here. The vibration felt pretty good. So I think the motor in here, the vibration motor, is pretty nice. Copy apps and data. All right, we're not gonna copy anything. I want a fresh and clean installation. To sign in, we're gonna skip that for now. I just wanna get into the phone real quick. Skip. Let's see. Wanna not allow any of that for now. Anyway, accept. Let's see, limited warranty. Yeah. Next. Additional legal terms. I accept. Okay, we're gonna skip the pin also. We're gonna skip all of this security stuff. We're gonna skip all of this. So we're gonna get into the phone real quick. Getting your phone ready. Swipe to navigate your phone. Let's see, let's try it. Swipe to go home from the bottom of the display. Nice. And then swipe to go back. Nice. And then swipe up to switch. You kind of hold it there. Nice. Welcome to your new Pixel. And we are in. Go to the settings. We'll go to the storage. Now this is a 128 gig model and fresh, brand new out of the box. It uses about 14 gigs. So do the math, that's how much free space you have. And of course, we're gonna check out the Android. We'll go to About Phone, Android version 13. Go ahead and click on that. And let's check out the Easter egg. Here it is. Let's kind of play with this. I'd have to say, the vibration motor does feel very nice. I like that, that's cool. All right, let's go ahead and take some quick pictures using the camera here. Pixels are well known for their cameras. Take some pictures. This is the half X, 1X, right on the box, the 2X, boom, and the 5X. I'm gonna go right into the logo, boom. All right, I'm gonna take a sample video on the 1X. See, I'm gonna change this to the 4K, 30 frames per second. We're not gonna use HDR for this. Actually, let's try out the wide first, and let's go. All right, this is a quick recording from the Pixel 7 Pro, fresh out of the box. This is the half X zoom here. Go to the 1, get you a little bit closer. Also, let me know how the audio sounds. This is the 2, and this is the 5X video. Give you a look. Go back to the 1. There we go. See some stuff here on the unboxing table of mine. All right, now let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a camera comparison between this phone and, as you can see here, whoops, almost dropped the phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments. Peace out. All right, that was a quick little sample video of the camera. And as I said in that video, let me know if you want me to do a camera comparison between the Pixel 7 Pro versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Quick comparison here of the two devices. So you can see, we'll go to the front. This is what it looks like. Overall, my first impressions of the feel of the phone. It feels solidly built, feels good to hold, feels good in the hands, and the display is curved. So let me get in here. It is curved. One more thing, let's test out the fingerprint scanner. All right, tap to set up fingerprint. How to set up your fingerprint. Okay, let's go ahead and start on this. All right, let's go. Not bad. Fingerprint added, done. All right, I just turned on the always on display in settings. So as you can see, here's the fingerprint indicator. So you don't have to tap it on. You just go like this and you're right into the phone. Love that. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with a Google Pixel 7 Pro. Speed tests, durability tests, the aforementioned camera tests versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and the Flip 4 versus the OnePlus devices, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.